Hi,
Hi.
M5678. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Hazel Imbalingit. I'm 45 years old. I'm single. I'm
Your religion
I'm Catholic.
and your highest educational attainment.
Undergrad,
Of what course?
computer science.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Dubai, tell me about your experience as a helper.
As a helper in Dubai, cleaning clothes, washing clothes, then cooking, taking of the baby, then take care of the kids also.
Okay, what kind of pets do you take care?
Cats,
How many pets?
8.
8 pets. You're also taking care of children, which is 4 years old, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you have another experience in Qatar also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper in Qatar.
As a domestic helper in Qatar, uh, cleaning also,
Okay.
then washing clothes, cooking, then uh, take care of the child, 15
Okay.
years old,
Okay.
then take care of the ironing also, then take care of the kids,
Okay, what kind of pets do you take care?
cats,
How many cats?
8, 5,
5 cats.
5.
Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn?
Uh, First, wash the hands and boiling the bottle of the baby. Then wash the bottle. Then boiling the bottle. Then put the measuring of the milk. Then go put the warm water. Then shake it. Then put the taste it to the if okay. Then give to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
uh, the baby is Friday, I will make temperature, take
Okay.
temperature. If the baby, if the stomach is full, I give the milk.
Okay.
Then change the diaper also.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you change the diaper, you also feed the baby, you give a milk for a baby. Also, you check the temperature. Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
I will call to the parents.
Okay.
I tell her the baby stop crying, not stop crying.
So you will ask the parent that the baby doesn't stop to cry. So you have to inform the parents because maybe the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop, right?
Yes,
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because the high salary more than in Middle East.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Eh, 5 years, 2 years.
Okay.
It's okay. The employer is okay.
Okay, so meaning to say it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to extend.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitors and ask you to go inside of the house and your employer doesn't at home that day? What will you do?
I will call the employer also to inform that the people is
There's people outside.
there's people outside.
Okay, and what will you say to the employer
I will tell the employer, sir, there is a people outside.
if they were expecting visitors?
Yes, sir.
And if they don't have any expecting visitors that day, what will you do?
Uh, I'm not entertained here.
Okay, and
I call to the police.
right, that's right thing that you have to do because it's not safe to entertain people that your employer doesn't know, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to call first the police and also do not entertain people outside of the house. Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir. But I want to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Example, YouTube
Okay,
to 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 cook the Chinese food.
so you will watch on YouTube to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Yes, sir.
And also you could buy some cookbooks or also you can watch or help your madam insert and if they have a time to prepare foods for themselves
Yes,
so
sir.
that you could learn and also be honest to them that you don't know how to prepare Chinese food.
Yes, sir.
right? Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Uh, nice. It's
It is okay to you
yes, sir.
to
It's
share
okay.
jobs with other helper.
Yes,
How
sir.
about taking care of pets? It is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English? It is okay with you to learn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
Hi, employer. If hi, my future employer. If you choose me, and I will do my job and
Okay.
honestly, and then caring to my to
Can you
my
promise also that you will follow the rules and regulations of their house?
yes, sir.
And also taking good care of their children as your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Hazel. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.